going to be a quick comparison between the PYPES Violator mufflers versus just a straight muffler delete on 05 to 09 Mustang GT. It also is probably going to sound the same for a 2010 GT. Just recently picked these up used for $100. They're like $350 online. The reason I want to do this is the muffler delete drones a lot and it's just like really obnoxiously loud. And like the car's quick and it's fun, but it's not exactly fast. It makes a lot of noise and doesn't really go much of anywhere, to tell you the truth. I just want to tone it down a little bit, have it be a little bit less obnoxious, a little less flashy. And I feel like it'll actually feel faster when I can get on it and really floor it and not wake up the entire neighborhood. There are probably hours of videos of S197s with a muffler delete on them, so this is just a cold start, and if you want more, there's a ton of it online. Okay, for anyone wondering, I just put the new muffler in. The best way to do it is to pull the mounts off. There's one here right in front of the tip under the car. And then there's one toward the outside right here. They've got 2 bolts each, and they are 1/2-inch bolts. I believe a 15mm on the old exhaust clamps. And then I bought these 2.5-inch heavy-duty exhaust clamps to replace them because they're actually spot welded to the muffler delete pipe. Yeah, drop the mounts, pull everything out, slide the mounts onto the exhaust, slide that onto the mid pipe. One helpful thing is to use some steel wool to clean off the pipe, and then this will slide on a lot easier. And then you just have to get it aligned and get the bolts in, and it's a headache, but it's not bad. It's dark now, but the new mufflers are in. I decided to start like an hour before sunset and then had to go buy exhaust clamps. So I got a floodlight set up and I'm gonna do a cold start with the mufflers in and then take it for a drive. Probably couldn't tell from that startup video, but it definitely is a lot quieter, a lot less rumble, and it's like a little bit deeper. Cruising at 30 miles an hour, way quieter, way nicer. So this is in second gear, starting at 3,000. I'm going to give it a little bit of gas and see how it sounds. Let's turn this on. So it's a lot calmer. It still has like kind of a roar to it. Like it still sounds like a muscle car. Yeah, and like when you get on it, it's like, I'm gonna open the windows so I can kind of hear it a little better. Ooh, lost traction for